Here's how to align your knee when doing a split squat, a regular lunge, or walking up the stairs. Currently what you're doing is this. You're coming down and instead of your thigh pointing over the pink dots, it's pointing completely inward. Instead, get rid of the weight for a moment. And now focus on is not pushing the knee outwards, but rotate the thigh outwards. Even more, rotate the thigh all the way outwards. Now, hold that rotational angle, look down at your thigh, the arrow should be pointing right down the bottom of this freediving fin. If you don't have fins, you can't do this, so you're done. Nothing you can do. Now, from that position, keeping that outwardly rotated thigh the entire time, return up to the top. There, exactly. Now, as you go back down for another rep, keep it outwardly rotate as much as possible. And one more time, come up. That is how you align your knee from your hip when doing a split squat.